Hey guys, welcome to my channel all about makeup. So guys, today I'm here with a Christmas makeup look. This makeup look is super glam and super easy and fits well for any occasion. So I'll be telling you all the details of the products that I'll be using in this video and the right application for them. I hope you guys will like this video, and in the end guys, please hit the like button. Without any further ado, let's start the video.
Some rays I'm feeling so right on time for you and me. Beats out chillin', I'm gone. Yeah. Beats out chillin', I'm gone.
Beats out chillin',
I've been living like the summer days. Sunny weather never rains. Going out every night, meet another girl, another name. Running my city, they know when it's me. Doing a show, they become every night, meet another girl, another name. Running my city, they know when it's me.
We are starting with the eyes first. Here I've already done my brows and I have used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Now I'm using Makeup Precision Stencils from Only Shapers. Here I'm using Maybelline New York Gel Liner and I'll be applying it in a winged shape. I have picked Morphe James palette, and now I'll pick a dark green color from that and will apply it over gel liner and will smudge it in the same way till I get the perfect intensity of the color. I have picked a light green color and will apply it just above it, and we'll go to the crease. Then we'll blend the color in the crease, and then we'll take the dark green color into the crease and we'll keep on blending it.
Beats out chillin', I'm gone.
Here I'm cutting my crease, and you can pick any concealer for this. And make sure you cut the crease very nicely and neatly.
Every night meet another girl, another name. Running my city, they know when it's me. Doing a show, they becoming a C. Making a bread and I'm packing it up, and I'm walking the bar and all drinks are free. No, I never change up. I've been sticking with the day ones, getting bigger since that day one, and one day go round.
I'm applying the glitter glue from Makeup Studio, and then I'll be using a glitter from the Color Essence in shade Silver. Over to that, I'll be applying a Rufa beauty glitter in shade Passion, and this is such a beautiful glitter. This will really give a pop-up effect to your eyes. To make my lashes look fuller, here I'm using Rimmel London's Candle Eyes Reloaded Mascara. I'll be using a tweezer from Rufa Beauty to apply my henna beauty lashes in style Haya. As I have open pores, so I'll be using a primer which can minimize my pores. So I'm using Pore Professional Primer from Benefit, and guys, trust me, this will actually blur your pores to a maximum extent. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in shade 312 and 120. For blending the foundation, I'm using Marshmallow Beauty Sponge from Roumer, and this is really squishy and soft beauty blender, and this blend your foundation amazingly, guys. This really gives a very smooth effect on your skin.
Beachside chillin', I'm gone.
I'm getting older, all my homies making money, and I'm trying to.
Now I'm highlighting my under eyes and my highlighting areas with a concealer from Maybelline in the shade Sand.
Every day, I'ma live it to my grave. I'ma live it like the summer. Hope this life won't fade away. I've been rolling around my city.
Time to set all this out with a loose powder. Here I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder.
Pool and pass a cup, got your girl, pass her up. Take the Uber to the club, know we staying up all night. Know the drinks on me tonight. We gon' party like our last
Now comes my favorite part of the makeup routine, and here I'm using PAC blush in the number 018. Guys, this is one of my favorite highlighters, and this is from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold.
Beachside chillin' out, gone.
Beachside chillin', I'm gone.
To line my lips, here I'm using a lip liner in the shade Berry Red from Wet n Wild. Let's now apply the lipstick from Rimmel London in the shade Self Starter, and guys, this is a perfect red. If you're looking for a perfect red, then this is the shade. Let's fix this all so that it lasts long, and I'll be using the setting spray from MAC.
Day, sunny weather never rains. Going out every night, meet another girl, another name. Running my city, they know when it's me. Doing a show, they be coming to see. Making a bread and I'm packing it up, and I'm walking up over and all drinks are free. No, I never change up. I've been sticking with the day ones, getting bigger since that day one. And one day go round the nation. They know the flow from Germany to Tokyo. Getting nosy like Pinocchio. I'm chasing all these dreams, and y'all still busy chasing hoes. It's alright, no class, we up all night. Sun's out and the girls out in the sundress, they look nice. Friday going